Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to change the page color in the Google Docs app. But before that, don't forget to subscribe, leave a comment down below, because at 10,000 subscribers I'm going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy. So without further ado, let's just jump right into it. First we have to open up the Google Docs app. Here it opens up in Drive files. From here we just have to select the document that we want to work on. Say it's this one. Then in the bottom right corner we have to tap on the pencil icon to edit it. Then we go into the top right corner, tap on the three dots. Then tap on page setup. And then tap on page color. Here we have a few colors that we can select from, and we can select whichever we like the most. Let's say it's this light blue one. We can go back and then the page is going to be this light blue color. So yeah, that's pretty much it for this video. Hope it was helpful for you guys, and I'll see you in the next one.